Good morning, Benno.
Oh, Marie.
Thank you so much to host us here in Podcerker in the municipality of Los. My first question would be, what is this place? Is it a youth hostel, a cultural association, a place of living?
This place is all in the one. Yeah, this is culture center, education center. We like to see like something new, something special, something friendly.
I can see that this place is accessible for people in wheelchair. Was it a first commitment for you?
I started in the Paraplegic Association of Slovenia, made the culture project on this association. I worked there 20 years. I'm also in the wheelchair, and then coming my painter's time.
You're a mouse painter?
Mouse painter. Then father died and leave me all this land, and I must make something with this. Few years I'm thinking, what can I do with this?
And now it looks beautiful, but this farm used to belong to your grandfather. Tradition and modernity, I guess.
I'm born in this house. Yeah. I was born 1959. House was crashed. My daughter prepared the plan. One daughter is lawyer and another one is architect. That I made it okay, that you feel good.
Yeah.
And if you feel good, I think that also another guest have also good feeling here.
So this cultural association called Ars Viva, you created it?
Ars Viva means in Latin language art in the movie.
And so you wanted to build something international, but this place is really important locally for the people of the community, I guess.
When you made some European project, you must be international and also for the local people. First, I'm starting to read stories for the children. We have art school, another project for the education, computer workshops, video workshops, and so many children coming this time.
How did you discover mouse painting?
When I work at Paraplegic Association of Slovenia, we have before some workshop also for the painters, and we have mouse painters. And when I started to work with them, I started also myself and
What do you like about it?
Painting is something like a game, children game. Usually paintings in the evening time when I'm alone, and in these paintings is for me now really big occupation.
What makes you happy having this place running?
All. It's for me fantastic. This is my life. I always dream about it.
I have the feeling that you like creating some links between people.
Yes, I like people. When I was young, I'm a sportsman and teach the children basketball, football. I was key teacher, swimming teacher. I have so much experience with young people, and these things also made me happy. I like to work with children, young people.
Today, two mouse painters are coming here.
Yes, inside the Ars Viva we have a painter group. We also have a photographer group. Just a few days ago we get a prize, second prize in Slovenia for the painting association.
I guess when something terrible happens and you end up in a wheelchair, you have two options, like give up or fight.
Right.
So when you had your accident, you finally decide to fight, right?
Yes, but not in the start. I fell down on the cherry tree In the start I have so many problems. I lived 3 years in the hospital. When I started to go to the rehabilitation center, this time it's no so happy time. And then I must grow up. First I started to write the poem, and there I'm cleaning myself, and then I grow up and fighting.
And something beautiful came out of it.
Yes, but first need the time. Also, I'm living with so fine people to help me, and now I can help to others. I'm so happy that you're coming, and I think that together we made something good for the world.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
And thank you very much for opening your doors. We spent much more time here than we thought because we felt so good.
If not feel good here, I think you don't stay here.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Nice, my girls and boys.
Cheers.